All right, Rob Frazier here. This video just wanted to talk about something new from PLS. If you follow me, you know I always say there's 3 C's of marketing: clicks, content, and connections. Now, Power Lead System had clicks down. I mean, they had it down to a science. Frank Calabro has created sales funnels that work online, that work with paid traffic or clicks. They had the connections down with the Max Steingard's Endless Free Leads training, how to talk to any and everybody to see if they're even open to learning about your business. And now they have finally dialed it in with the content portion, because now they have these things that are called video shorts. These shorts you can use for YouTube shorts, Reels, Facebook Reels, Facebook Stories, Instagram Stories, Reels, TikTok, wherever else, Pinterest. There's idea pens that you can use these short videos as well. There's all sorts of different places you can use them. And you don't even have to create them. All you have to do is download them and then upload them on whatever social medias you want, whatever social media of choice, and slap your link on it. So you can just basically copy these videos and use them to build your Power Lead System business, or use it with Power Lead System to build your email list so you can promote your business on the back end. So that being said, wrapping this video up, underneath this video I'm including a link to the new Power Lead System created by Frank Calabro Jr. It's the hottest, newest sales funnel that we're all using. It's working. And basically, if you follow me, you're going to learn how to marry my perpetual traffic plan with the perpetual leverage plan from Power Lead System to perpetually create more freedom in your life. Anyway, link is below. Name's Rob Frazier. See you in the next one.